The RidgeBack is one of Yakima's newest hitch-mounted bike carriers for vehicles equipped with hitch receivers. The RidgeBack's tongue adapter and toolless installation allows this carrier to be installed easily in both 1¼ or 2" hitch receivers, and can accommodate most bike geometries and frame styles without issue. The RidgeBack comes in the box with the 2" hitch adapter installed. Removal or reinstallation of this adapter involves 3 Allen bolts, the largest of the 3 fastening the red adapter piece to the tongue, and the 2 smaller bolts fastening the silver adapter piece to the floating mounting hardware. These bolts may be difficult to remove the first time, but will become easier with use. Toolless installation makes mounting the RidgeBack very simple. Slide the tongue of the rack into your hitch receiver until the pinhole in the tongue lines up with the pinhole in your hitch, and insert the red safety pin attached to the rack. This ensures proper rack placement in your hitch. From there, you can begin tightening the red knob on the front of the tongue, which will expand the mounting hardware and fasten the RidgeBack into place. To lock the rack to your hitch, position the tightening knob so the lock core is at the bottom and turn the key. This will allow the knob to spin freely without affecting the security of the mounting hardware. The RidgeBack has the ability to fold completely away from your car, allowing you access to your rear hatch, as well as the ability to raise and lower the bike arms to reduce the rack's profile when not in use. The RidgeBack uses a ratcheting strap system to secure your bikes. Each bike position has an anti-sway clamp to prevent your bikes from rocking and bumping together. The ratcheting straps are easy to install and remove by pinching the gray tabs on the cradles. If you have any questions about the Yakima RidgeBack 5-bike carrier, product number Y2459, or any of our other products, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or visit rackwarehouse.com.